Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to leave a feedback in the Lyst application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. Then click on the leave feedback button. And here you have to type in your email address. Then you have to confirm your email address. So just type the same. Then you have to give your first name, the subject, and you have to choose like a request type. So whether it's about some error or just some general feedback you want to give, and then you can add further description to your problem or to your request. And you can also attach pictures, so maybe if it's about like wrong type of clothing that you received or something that you can take a photo of, just do that and then just click on the green submit button and your request will be sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.